ProTinkerToys.com light spray. And this is the 6th car of the series, and I am absolutely worn out. Let me tell you something right now. Talking nonstop for an hour is very tiring, okay? It drains a lot of energy out of you. All right, so I'm doing the 6th car, and this is the sand van. Now, I'm not a fan of these things, but you know what? They do look kind of cool. You can almost take the guys out of here, take the heads out, and put them on the Mustang. Anyway, so these are the 6 cars. SC367. There's a blue one and an orange sand van, or a blue, or a pink and yellow, or green and blue, or whatever color you think they should be. All right, because nowadays you don't have. You can really just decide whatever you want. You can just say, that's not blue, that's green. So you have that choice. So we're going to open up the orange one because that looks like the neatest one. And these are sand vans. They used to race these on the beaches in California, okay? Because, it was just beautiful down there and you could really do a lot of weird things, which they did a lot of weird things. And it's basically kind of like a Beetle, or a Beetle body, and then they kind of redesigned it and it created a Baja. And these were the sand vans that they would all go down on. And that's just a fun car. And it drives kind of nice. That is pretty awesome. That runs pretty good. That ran really good right out of the street. I didn't have to oil that. Of course, I should probably oil it. That is kind of cool, sand van. See, it used to be basically a VW chassis, and they created these new bodies to go on them. The same thing with the Baja buggies. They were basically Beetles, but they took off the wheels or the rims. See, they would take the rims off the Beetles, okay, and they would put larger tires, bigger suspension, and they would modify. A lot of modifications in the cars. They did a lot of modifications in the cars. A lot of modifications. That's basically what that is. I can't think of the name right now, but they did a lot of mod designs. They came out with a lot of these in the 60s with Aurora. They did a lot of these cars, a lot of different colors, decos and all this. And this is the Baja, basically just the sand van. And you can get it in 2 different colors. I'll bring that around. Okay, so you get it in pink. That's the pink one. And this is the red one. Here comes the red one. Remember now, colors aren't what we really think. They're really what you want them to be. And I want that to be red, so that is red. And that is really pink, so it's pink. Remember, you can choose whatever you want, and you are what you want. And don't forget that. And that's important, to be what you want and not what you are. Because it's not what you are, it's what you want. And that's it. Pro Tinker Toys, we have everything you want, not what you want. Okay? Because there's a lot of things that you want, but you're not going to get because we have what you are. Okay, whatever that sounds, whatever that means. Anyways, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. This is SC367. This is the 6th car of this series. There are 6 cars in this series, guys, and they're all available at ProTinkerToys.com. All you do is go to ProTinkerToys.com, and if you don't have anything to do one day, and you're bored, and you're sitting in the house and it's raining, or all of a sudden, you've lost your engine in your car, or just a catastrophe happened, and you don't know what to do, just go to ProTinkerToys.com, watch my videos, and laugh, and then shop, and you'll find some things that you'll never thought you would be finding, and you would find them at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, always hit that notification bell button on the button, subscribe so you'll always get our videos. Every time we post a video, you'll get a notification. Hey, Brian posted a video. I'm going to watch it because that guy is funny, right? Right. Okay, so see you later, alligator. We just finished 6 cars and I am absolutely worn out. I don't think I can say another thing. Goodbye.